Hi guys, this is Yashwant. We are waiting for the screen to go live. We, we are live. That is good. Now let's. Can I close this? I'm not sure. Record camp. So we are going to continue from here. Just this is the video. I will open VS Code here. Okay, this is the HTML written for yesterday's thing. Let's go live. Where is our live option? So this is what we have done yesterday. We ideally we want to design something which looks more like this, which we have read. Like we have to add custom CSS to, not custom CSS, custom grid layout things to our header classes so they span from some place to some place. Now the problem with this is we have divided. Let's see our code. We can see our code and see what's happening here. If we see the CSS code, columns, we are saying it need to be of 12 parts and each part has to be a single fraction. So that's what we said here. And regarding rows, we wanted 3 rows. The first one to be 100 pixels and the last one to be 100 pixels, and the middle one can be anything which is not this. So what we can do here is the header we want. If you look in the video, the header says this is the final one. The header starts here and ends here, the same as the footer, and the menu and content are followed by that. So we say grid column, it starts at 1 and it ends at -1. -1 means the last one. See how it looks? It spans the entire thing. We want the same thing for footer, right? So if we want the same thing, instead of writing another entire CSS class, the problem with that is it has a different styling. So we have to copy this. Okay. Span from the beginning to the ending is the same thing. Span from the beginning to the ending. So in the meantime, I wanted to tell you, like, I have been working on the audio quality of the stream. So if it is good, that means whatever I have done, it is paying off. It's paying, yeah, whatever. So this is, let's see how it looks. Grid column, everything is the same. Did not save it. Let's go. Yay, it's working great. So every row is divided into 12 vertical things. Every horizontal thing is divided into 12 fractions. So we are taking like 2 fractions only because we said. Okay, let me add one more change to this. We don't need this. See, now switching is very easy. Just have to save here. Next desktop, and yeah, I'm just saying to make things easier. So what we have to do is we have to make sure this spans at least 3 fractions and this spans at least remaining, whatever the remaining is. So the menu, we want the menu to span from, we want the grid column, it should start from 1 and it should start from 1 Ah, come on. There was a shorthand notation yesterday. Thought I remembered. Oh god. Oh, that's it. Wherever you want it to end. See? So if this is ending at 3, we want the content to start at 3 and span until the ending. No, 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 no. There you go. There you go. There you go. Have this. This is good. Created this. We created that. Now, instead of 100 pixels, what is the tutorial following? How much they want it? Nice. We have an ad. We have an ad.
Being responsive.
I don't understand. Why 2 ads? We don't have that. We don't have the. Don't we have auto? We have auto, but it's not stretching. Why it's not stretching? Oh, I think it's because of the height 100%. Let's try that. Height 100%. Let's see what happened. Right. Hmm.
Combining that, setting the height of the grid container itself, and wanting the grid to be responsive.
Okay. Hmm. Height is 100%. Everything good. Template rows are 40 pixels. Auto 40 pixels. This has to be larger than this. View height. For us, view height is working. Oh, what's the problem? We decrease this. It's resizing, but I don't think view height is the way to go. We'll try to see what's happening, what's wrong with this.
We're still using the grid column property for just the size of the items. What we rather want is use something called able to do that. Here, areas out to see how might seem here. To be visual the way it works, string in those strings. So let's add the letter H times first string. Have to give it exactly 12 characters. It has to match down to 12. Not actually
Not like
finding the
this.
columns or rows here.
There should be
We've
shorthand to
already
this.
done that here. Naming them. For them from. You can roll at 1 and 11C. And a row at 12. It's visual. How build up the grid. If the curve here takes your top row, find with react. See? Constant. Now, the reason this is brilliant for pop-ups is because now we make the menu span up. The screencast is this H here with an M. As you can see, the menu popped up to the top. Make it span all the way to the bottom. Same thing here as well. Is that change out? Fiddle around with the values in the item class. Also, dots hold in blank cell. Now we have this paired experimental layout where corners.
I don't understand. What if you just remove something in the middle and just place black? Let's try that. So it said everything that we have written until now. You don't need to write it. We can keep the template rows and template columns, but we just define this grid. Come on. Areas. We will also follow the same thing. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Case does not end there. Is there a comma? No, you have to close that and line and M and content 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another is this is footer. Everything is footer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Sure. Yeah, but we haven't defined things like this. Grid template, grid area. Grid area is defined by H. Is that a single quote H? No, quote H. This grid area is defined by M. Grid area is C. Grid area is defined by F. Have this very good looking Yeah, wanted to see what will happen. In the middle, we just write not F M. Does not make sense. That's what I want to see. Hmm. Hmm. I'm just checking things how they are. I don't think we can have a content. So the uh, validation that you need is only the endings or the beginnings can be dots, but not the paths which are in the middle. They cannot be empty. So that's what I've learned from this. Okay, this is good. Whatever we have seen until now.
One thing you need to be aware of is that the areas will only be valid if they are rectangular. I can make this F at the F that. As you understand, this is experimenting layout. And you play around with this here. And once you've done that, you have finished the first section. Congratulations. Quite a lot of fun. However, a lot of stuff. So in next, we're going to teach you more advanced stuff, and we're going to create even more That'll be super cool. So, see you there.
Okay, we have completed like half of the course. Yeah, I think out of it and min max we are not there. We completed template areas. We need to understand auto fit and min max, implicit rows, an awesome image grid, bonus, 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 bonus. I
Hey, welcome to this
okay.
CSS Grid course.
Let's try. Oh, the problem with this is we have to have it. Admin, creating that many elements itself is a problem for me. Okay, let's do this. First, try to understand what's going on here. So there are two horizontal things. So the rows are two, and columns are six. So just let's create this. So we are done with this. So this is good. Let's see where we are. We're inside that learning grid. Now practice dot html. Okay, sorry. Let's go to practice.html. Create a boilerplate. Practice grid layout. Uh, Title. I will add a link tag. href. We want to link to practice.css. Just go there again. Let's create body. On the background color to be something I think going on. Fill these things which we don't need. Maybe we need something. good thing is we can have the same divs again and go to style.css, get all the things again. First thing, we need to make the wrapper class display grid. What else do we need? Yeah, gap has to be 10 pixels. Yeah, uh, this is good for now. These are the CSS classes that we have. Okay, we have to add that one thing, the immediate div which is inside a wrapper, immediate child of wrapper div, whatever the div that is an immediate child of a wrapper class, they will have a border radius of 8 pixels. And is that all? They have to be rounded. Let's see. Yeah, padding. So the elements are not empty. This is our practice. So you see what we have right here. We have we got these. By default, this is how grid is displayed. They take the full width. So we are doing everything right. Now what we have to do is we have to define grid template. We can do both the same time. So we want 40 pixels by 200 px by 200 px slash repeat 12 comma 2 fr or 6 comma 1 fr. 12 fractions, each taking 2 fractions. What if it is? You don't understand. I said it has to be 12 horizontal lines and each taking. Okay. I said 12 fractions and each taking 3. Okay, I got this wrong. We are saying repeat 12 times and each taking 10 fractions. So it doesn't matter. Does not matter what fractions we give it.
Already learned about consonants. Here we have set up for the grid. If you can see below as well. And that's defined here. It will be grid. And rows have this. instead. Later, not necessarily always want fix. Like now, they're together and at this point they're suddenly very wide. So what to do is, for example, only have 2 in width when the example is being viewed on a mobile and 6 in width when it's viewed on a normal screen. So make the amount of columns vary with the container. First, go back to having 100 pixels. Then, rather than hard coding in columns, we're going to what happen is that it'll vary the amount of with the width of the grid. Simply tries to fit as many columns and gets a right hand side and then very narrow screen. However, this doesn't get the amount of really add up exactly to the width of the container. Then we get a situation like this here. Space left, right, not enough to. Now you might think that we'd rather do photo fit or only give us photo fit any column. There's not enough space. New column. So full width is immediately actually to get max better column minimum maximum. Now you'll see always fit with regardless of the exactly as happens here is that always simply now they are all of the pixels or something. However, when it reaches there, the minimum size so that it can fit in 6 columns. First, actually that. Now we also get a nice mobile and a nice view. Okay, so in the next
This is a very great way designing websites. By default, everything will be responsive. So I think that is something we just face here. That is our page. So yeah, we can see this. The problem here, I think we all can agree that there is a problem here. That is because we have said it is instead of saying specific number, we say auto fit. We can either have minimum is 90 pixels, maximum is 1 fr. Yeah, it's so good. Looks weird, but it's so good. This that is happening because we said the minimum thing has to be 90 pixels. We can make it 300 pixels. We'll have big chunky boys. I really like it. I really like it. I wish I learned everything way before then. Now, so then this also can be done like that. Instead of this, we can say, let's try. I don't know. Out of it, max of. Want this to be 150 pixels. Wow, it looks so good. Okay, I want to make something more decent. See, you don't want border radius. You don't want the background color to change. Even now, this is so bad. Okay, let's go back. Let's take the like that. 23 pixels on the rate. This should work. No, but whatever she have wasted much time on this. Maybe if we make this wide, it will destroy till I guess.
going to take you. I'll see you there.
Feel like it's have knowledge information overwhelming already, so I'm going to stop it here. I initially thought it will be only a half an hour, no, 2 days session for CS Grid, but I've taken like 3 hours already, 3 days already. But fuck, I'm not able to like sit properly. So Monday I think I'll start better. Till then, have a great weekend. If you are watching this, thank you.